Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In Kotlin series today we are going to learn the use of map and mutable map collections. Let's see the example. Here we are creating a student information, student info, and for that we are creating a map. In a map we have to pass the two value, key and value. Key is integer type and value is string type, int and string. Here we have map of. Okay, then we put here the value in using pair class. Pair, and inside this we put roll number, for example 3 roll number or 2 roll number. We have Rahul, and same thing we can copy and paste also, comma then paste, comma then paste. So at the place of 10 we put Ravi, at the place of 20 I put Naresh. Okay, so now I can print this information by using a for loop. So we can say for loop, and in a bracket you can put key and value, and in student info, and then we can display these value also. Println student information is value at roll number student value is at roll number is key. If I display this, you have the result. That is student Rahul is at roll number 2, then Ravi at 10, Ramesh is 10, 20, like this. But it is a immutable list. We cannot modify anything, or we can print directly also like this student info, and here I can give the value get and the index value. Suppose I give 10, so at the place of 10 we have a Ravi, so it will display Ravi also. You see the output. But this is immutable list. We cannot add or we cannot modify anything like this. If I try to modify some value, I have to insert some value. For example, at place of 30, if I want to insert my name, it's not possible. Here in map we use put function in place of add. So it's not possible because it's a immutable list. But if I want to make it mutable, so I have to put here mutable map, and here also mutable map. Now without any problem it will work, and it will insert Dr. Vipin Kumar also at the 30 roll number. If you see, we have a 30 roll number this information. I can display also at 30 position. Like this. You can replace also information, some information if you want to, you can replace and put the key. Suppose in place of Dr. Vipin, you can put some other log, like you can Dr. Anuj Kumar, anything which you want to put. So if you run this, in place of Dr. Vipin Kumar, it will be print Dr. Anuj Kumar. Like this, have been changed. So you can put new information also. You can replace existing information also if your map is mutable type. And if you want to only display information, so don't want to modify any data, you can use map also. Map is a immutable type of collection, and mutable map is a mutable type of collection. collections. Mutable means you can modify informations as per you required. This is all about. If you want to read more about these collection, go to my app on Google Play Store, learn Kotlin at zero effort. Learn Kotlin with zero effort. Learn Kotlin with zero effort on Google Play Store. There you can read about detailed information about collections and more examples also. Till then, bye. See you again.